would have told Rahul ji, beta, हारना तो हमारी आदत है. By now you should have got used to it, Rahul ji, beta. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So the way she has, handed over her son to the constituency, now she would have counseled him. It's okay, beta, it's okay, not an issue. ये तो होते रहता है जिंदगी में. The problem here is, how does it matter? End of the day, the decision is taken by the citizen of this nation, Bharat. I don't see anything, surprise the way that they have boycotted initially, and after 24 hours they've taken a U-turn. Because I'll tell you, see, this is how I feel I can look at the whole thing. First, when they have boycotted, it is because that, Bichare Rahul Gandhi ji and the whole people, the entire crew of Congress got scared. And then they know that they're going to have to face terrible questions and debates from the journalists and the different various channels and the, news. And they have no answers to talk, because the entire campaigning, they have been talking everything that was baseless. They have been putting n number of allegations on Modi ji. They've tried their hard, they've torn their clothes, but ultimately they knew nothing is going to happen, and Modi ji is going to be the Modi ji. But now, why did they come back after 24 hours? We all know that Sonia ji, Mama, would have told Rahul ji, beta, हारना तो हमारी आदत है. By now you should have got used to it, Rahul ji, beta. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So the way she has, handed over her son to the constituency, now she would have counseled him. It's okay, beta, it's okay, not an issue. ये तो होते रहता है जिंदगी में. Now that we have learned and got used to lose with Modi ji, we better be mentally prepared for it. कोई बात नहीं, go. पीठ पे जरा हाथ ऐसा थाम के बिजाए होंगे. So they're back again to debate.
Ma'am, one of the India Alliance partners, namely Aam Aadmi Party, one of its MPs, Sanjay Singh, has told that, the exit polls are all fabricated and that it's being prepared at the offices of the BJP party. How do you see this statement?
Then I would say, aapko bhi please buy one classmate notebook. आप भी एक बढ़िया सा पेन खरीद लीजिए. You also sit in AAP office. You also write your exit polls. Who is stopping you? Nobody is stopping. The problem here is, how does it matter? End of the day, the decision is taken by the citizen of this nation, Bharat. And Modi ji is not in the books or pens or papers that somebody would sit in an office and write. He is there in the hearts of people. AAP should know that he has signatured his autograph in the hearts of people. So it doesn't really matter whether a book and pen is being put in a BJP's office to write the exit polls, or in AAP's office, or in the Congress office. And exit polls of what a party office sits and writes is not what news is. Read it out. People have their own political strategies. They have their strategists. They go out, they go into the public, they figure out, they ask them, and then comes the exit polls. With that, at least, okay, one exit polls can say, 2 exit polls can say, not everybody. Now, these people have stooped down so much that, they have lost their, the stability to, to express their defeat in any other form. They try to do whatever they want to do in all wrong ways, but it didn't work. So, end of the day, they would want to say something or the other. Like a child, when it goes to write an examination, if they fail, they come back home and they say, no, the teacher has taken away my pen and, I fell down somewhere. They give all kind of crap reasons. And I'm surprised that a party led by such a learned and educated man like Kejriwal ji, I'm surprised that they say that it is being done at BJP's party house. They better know that these kind of tricks will not work anymore.